Now that's some nice looking. That's what I call green slime of the undeadly bacterial type. This is not going to kill you, I don't think. But I've never seen the pond this bad. I don't know what's happened. Something's weird that's gone on. So I'm going to have to drain this, clean the stones, and refill it. Yucky. Yucky, yucky, yucky. Am I going to need my waders? Not my waders, my wellies, I think, maybe, to stand around in that stuff. I've got my hard toes, steel toes, leather ones, which are not really going to be working good. So I think I got to try and drain the water next. See where we go from there. Slippery as heck around that outside, too, so I got to be careful with that. Ooh, back to the slime.